Single produce, right? There is no. Okay, so yes, hot work will be there. So this will be go and ensure the venting in this EPC contractor.
No, sir, here hydrocarbon will be there, no? Because
why? Because we are saying that we are going to shut down the system. When you are going to shut down the system,
active hydrocarbon line. Active, you can mention.
Yeah,
no
active hydrocarbon. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I mean, this is very critical point, and of course, the provision for venting and purging should be there, so that suitable shutdown can be obtained before the installation of the core usage meter. SIMOPS activity will be there, and we are saying that we are going to have SIMOPS workshop, and we are going to find out allowed, restricted, and prohibited category that we will see after this workshop. Commissioning handover, yes, commissioning and handover will be done, and the vendor package will be there, and they are going to follow the vendor package commissioning procedure, and PSSR of company will be implemented so that we don't see any major issue. Okay, now any with respect to lesson learned. So, yes, sir, you have any lesson learned program for such kind of activity?
Lesson learned, we need to actually check the well wise where we are exactly well number. If well number is there, because some well we don't have the PLC panel is there, we have the relay logic. So that relay logic is not suitable for the configuration. Even though
should be arranged, shall be arranged.
Yeah. So if we have the exactly confirmation for the well numbers, it's easy for us to identify the well number. Why? Because we don't have the every well there is a PLC panel. Old relay logic